Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make burger. You need bun, you see here, you see bun, like it's pretty clean bun, and you just put it right there, or just put it right there. Now you need some cheese on your burger, if you want to make a cheeseburger. But we're actually not going to make a cheeseburger. We're going to make a cheeseburger with extra stuff like tomatoes and lettuce. There you go. Grab a cheese. And then you slam that boy on there.
Try!
Grab some meat. Some meat. And then you put that boy in there. Then you wait. And then you grab this boy, slam it on there. Boom, cheeseburger. But remember, we need to add more stuff on this cheeseburger, like some lettuce. You got this lettuce? Got some lettuce. Some nice and delicious lettuce. Put that boy in there. You need some tomatoes. Tomatoes are easy to cut. Well, I wouldn't say it's easy, but yep, there you go. And then you hit this boy in the knife. Boom! Already over there. And put that tomato on the burger. You got yourself a Big Mac. But we're not done yet because we need to add a plate to make it official. So you grab a plate, slam that boy on there, and you got yourself a Big Mac that we totally did not copy from McDonald's. So now, slam that boy in there carefully, and then you order up. Boom. Big Mac burger. The customer comes, grabs his burger, and then eats it, and say it's trash, throw in the trash, because our restaurant sucks.